Welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, we will learn how to model a bottle, allowing you to master the foundational principles of 3D modeling. This is a plain and edit poly with a standard bitmap attached to it using a V-Ray material. I have this as my reference image. The first thing is you want to get the scaling right, guided by the height and the width dimensions. For easy workflow, I'd like my image displayed on the front viewport. I'll set up a special layer called MISE for miscellaneous. Highlight the layer, properties, and the display instead of viewport, change to shaded. So I put this image on that layer by highlighting it and click Add to Active Layer. With the image selected, right-click, Object Properties, change by Object to by Layer. So this one just stays shaded all the time, which is perfect for reference images. I throw in a cylinder guided by the dimensions we set earlier. We can get the reference roughly around the size of the image. It doesn't have to be perfect. Convert it to an editable poly. We begin modeling with the outlines and the framing of it. Wherever the bottle is straight, you can leave it, and wherever it turns and bends, you add a line. We use the Swift Loop, one of the graphite modeling tools that we introduced in an earlier tutorial. Be sure to check it out if you missed it. And make it see-through to allow visibility. Select the polygon tool, highlight the polygons, and resize to form the shape of the top. Add another loop at the next section and scale. Now you want to be careful of how you scale. At the moment it's not scaled proportionally. Always keep an eye on your perspective. Select the edge tool, then double click on the line to select the entire edge. Select the other loop and resize it to align with the bottle's outline. I'll add a few more loops to maintain the bottle's curve. Back to the top, let's continue refining the shape of our bottle. Using the extrude button, edit these polygons. Chamfer just to define the edges. Now all the edges need to terminate at a common intersection, otherwise you'll have problems with your model, especially when it comes to texturing. Here the Swift Loop tool is not working. Another way to create edges is by selecting vertex and using the cut tool. Add a loop close to the edge to define it further. This will be useful when we eventually apply the Mesh Smooth or Turbo Smooth modifier to our model. Add the Mesh Smooth modifier, and as you can see, our model takes the shape of our bottle. Bottles have thickness, and in this case it does not have. So if you want your bottle to render correctly, your glass must have volume. Select all the polygons, click the extrude button, press shift and drag inwards. Click on OK to clone to element. It's now created new geometry and leaving the original geometry where it's meant to be. Check to make sure that no errors have happened, that no polygons are crossing. Let's now add liquid inside our bottle. Depending on how high you want your liquid to go, we select the polygons to where we want the liquid to reach and select the polygons inside. Click on detach to clone, name it and press OK. Close the hole at the top, double click on the edge, select border tool and click on cap. Repeat the steps you did earlier, all the edges to terminate at a common intersection. The liquid needs to intersect the bottle geometry for rendering reasons. Right now, this liquid is touching the bottle because we took the liquid geometry of the bottle. Select the polygons, extrude to the extent where it sits in the middle of the bottle geometry. Again, check to make sure that no errors have occurred. Yeah, I think we are done. And that's how to model a bottle and add liquid to it. So thanks for watching this video tutorial. As always, please thumbs up the video, it really helps. Subscribe and let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or suggestions or which areas you need clarification on.